So hi guys, today we are going to compare two men's wallets. Now these are both quite trendy and stylish and very different from the usual the other ones. This is from Hornbull. This is from Hornbull. The other one is from Red Tape. Let's start with the Hornbull. Now this has a dark brown leather feel to it. It says RFID safe right on the outside. And you would see a piping, a leather piping which goes, and I think which is a sort of a design element to it, which is slightly, I would say, dark brown or tan in color. And then you would see an additional, thread work which outlines the outer portion of it. And plus you would see the metallic logo which protrudes out. Then when you open it, we find that there are two card slots. This is also for a card, but I think it is transparent. It is see-through, so you can actually put in something else as well, which has your maybe photo on it. Then there is the button which opens, and you would open a flap. The moment you open flap, you find two slots, again transparent, where you can keep your ID cards. We move on and we find there is another slot which is for your ID card. There are three more card slots, so this has a lot of space to keep your IDs and your cards. Then there is the standard flap which is to keep some extra stuff. Then there is the pocket for your keeping your coins, another flap, and a zipper too. So I think this is for some additional stuff. Yes, you can keep it here. And I would see there are two more slots which is for keeping the notes, and I think there's a whole logo cum placer which is mentioned here. So this is how it looks like. So then you would see there are those two flaps which you would find for extra stuff, a pocket for the coin, and then these are the two pockets for the notes. This has a very nice feel to it. The whole texture, compactness, the way it feels in the hand is very nice, very trendy, very classy, and the color is also very unique. Not brown, not black. The color is also very unique. Not brown, not black. So this has a very nice color, not brown, not black, something which is very different. So that's it. It's nice. Thank you.